Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy A34 that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out that update, and also I'll talk about the One UI 8 update. So starting off with the new update available for the Galaxy A34. So for that, simply go into the settings, then you have to scroll all the way down, and from here tap on software update, then tap on download and install. After tapping on download and install, you will get to see a new security patch update of July 1st, 2025. This is the second security patch update after the One UI 7 update. So first of all, you will have to download the update, and if we talk about what's new, so it includes some device stability improvements and some bug fixes. So after downloading the update, you will have to install the update. Once the update is downloaded, you will get to see an option of install now. As you guys can see, this install now option is now available, but make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during this installation process. Also keep in mind that this installation process might take a while, so I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. And once the update is installed, your device will automatically restart. As you guys can see, now the update is downloaded. Now let's talk about the One UI 8 update. So the One UI 8 beta is now extended on some more devices, including the Galaxy A36, A55, A35 and A54. In the month of September, it will be available on these devices, but sadly the Galaxy A34 is not included in the list. If we talk about the official release, so that is expected in the month of September. So if you're a Samsung Galaxy A34 user, so you will have to wait for the official update of the One UI 8. And that's a wrap for today's video. Hopefully this update will fix the battery drain issue that was there before with the One UI 7 update. The bugs and lags were fixed with the last update, but the battery drain issue was still there. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.